Sulaiman bin Yasar says, when the people dispersed, leaving Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, Natil, an Egyptian, said to him, O holy elder, narrate to me a hadith which you have heard from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, yes, I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, the first one to be adjudged on the resurrection day will be a martyr. He will be summoned and shown the divine blessing. When he will recognize those divine blessings, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, how did you utilize these boons? He will submit, I fought a jihad in your way until I got martyred. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, you tell a lie. You rather fought the jihad so as to be styled a courageous, so you were styled a courageous. Then it will be commanded to fling him face down into hell until he will be cast into hell. Another man acquired knowledge, taught the people, and read the Quran. He will be summoned and his bones will be shown to him. When he will recognize those bones, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say to him, how did you utilize these bones? He will submit, I acquired knowledge, imparted this knowledge, and read the Quran for your sake. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, you tell a lie. You acquired knowledge to be called a scholar. You read the Quran to be styled a Quran reader. So the same was said. Then it will be commanded to fling him the face down into hell until he will be cast into hell. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made a man extremely affluent and granted him every kind of wealth. He will be summoned on the resurrection day, and those boons will be shown to him. When he will recognize those boons, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say to him, how did you utilize these boons? He will submit, I expended it in each way in which you like the wealth to be expended. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, you tell a lie. You did it so as to be called a generous fellow, so you were styled a generous fellow. Then it will be commanded to hurl him face down into hell until he will be cast into the fire. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4900.